Hello, my dear students. In this offline class, let me teach you a new poem, Vocation. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and what the word signifies? What do you mean by the word vocation? Vocation is a job or a profession done by a person to earn money for his daily food. Okay, coming to the poem. In this poem, a small boy expresses his wishes or desires or his fantasies. The boy, he feels that upon him, lot of conditions and strict rules and regulations are there for him. But when he finds three persons, first person is a hawker, second person is a gardener, and third person is a watchman. And these three persons, they are enjoying a lot of freedom. They can do whatever they like. But this small boy is having a lot of strict rules and conditions and constraints. So he wants freedom. But actually, he is not learning, or he is not understanding the problems of these three persons. But when he sees these persons, he feels that the boy feels that these three persons are enjoying a lot of freedom, and the boy has no freedom. He thinks so. Coming to the stanza, I will read the stanza for you and will explain for you. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. When the gong sounds means an object used to stuck on another material to make sound. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning, when the time is 10 o'clock, the boy wants to go to school. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Lane means L-A-N-E, lane means a street. When the time is 10, I have to go to school. Every day I meet the hawker crying, a vendor, a seller, selling bangles, crystal bangles, ornamental items. Bangles meaning ornamental items. The seller is selling bangles, ornamental items, and he is crying, or he is the hawker or the seller is crying bangles and crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. He has no hurry. There is no road he must take. Nobody is saying to him, you must go to this road. Nobody is forcing him to go to this road. No place he must go to. No place he has to go. No time when he must come home. Nobody is forcing him to this time you have to come. You have to come to home. Nobody is forcing. So I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. So the boy is thinking that if I were a hawker, this seller, I can go wherever I like. No time limit I have to keep, and no place I have to select. I can go to any place. I can go up to any time. No place, no matter, no regulations, no rules, and no conditions. Then the boy is thinking, if I were a hawker, if I was a hawker. Second stanza. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with the dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Second stanza. When it is 4 o'clock, I am coming back to home from school. When I reached the home, I threw through the gate a gardener. In my home, a gardener is digging the soil. Coming back from school, I can see through the gate of that house gate of that house, the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. Spade means tool. His tool. He's digging the ground with his spade. He soils his clothes with the dust. What will happen when you dig the soil, the mud? That our dress will become dust. It will become dirty. It will become the dress will have dust, and the dress will be dirty. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun, being excessive hot because of the sunlight. Nobody wants him go from the sunlight. Nobody will want force him to go from this sunlight. Baked in the sun, excessive hot, or gets wet. Gets when if there is rain, his dress will get wet. So, if there is rain, nobody will force him to go from this rain. He can do whatever he likes. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop him from digging. Nobody is there to stop him from the activity of digging. So this gardener is also enjoying absolute freedom, and the boy has no freedom. Coming to the third stanza. Just as it gets dark in the evening when it is night, and my mother sends me to go bed, then my to go bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow and at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Okay, third stanza. Just as it gets dark in the evening, and my mother sends me to go bed. When it is evening, when it's night, my mother forces me to go to bed for sleep. I can see through the open my window the watchman walking up and down. When I see through the look through the window, open window, I see a watchman is walking in the street. The street is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant. Giant means monster with one red eye in its head. The street lamp is compared with a monster, a giant with one red eye. Okay, the watchman swings moves from here from to there, swings his lantern is a lamp, and walks with his shadow. When he walks with this lantern, with the lamp, there is a shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. And nobody is there to force this watchman to go to bed. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. I wanted to become a watchman. I want to go. Nobody is there to control this watchman to go to that side, go and sleep. He can do whatever he likes. So the boy wants to become a watchman. That is the summary of this poem. The boy has a lot of fantasies, a lot of desires, and he finds these three persons, and he thinks that these three persons are enjoying a lot of freedom, and the boy has no freedom. Okay, thank you very much.